Notice Nvidia was up $1.80 and now it's now it's like barely up. What is that? Now it's down.
What do you make of that?
Taiwan Semi's down very big. Well, I make as much of that as I make about the fact that Alphabet was up big. Nvidia's problematic here because it doesn't report this week, so it can't speak for itself.
It's the 21st, I believe.
Yeah.
Although last week, Jim, that J.P. Morgan desk note looking at SK Hynix and Taiwan Semi and arguing it does set up Nvidia for a nice print.
I think Nvidia's going to have a big number. I also thought that there was much more to Jensen Huang's fireside chat in India. And when you look at what he was talking about, it's pretty positive. But right now, it doesn't have the catalyst that the others have. But there are, I have HPE on this week. Hewlett Packard Enterprises. Today, I have to tell you.
Oh, you got Antonio tonight? Yeah.
He's very good, and I underestimated how great he is initially. But his story is about how he works so well with NVIDIA, and NVIDIA needs help to get in. So, but anyway, I mean, right now, NVIDIA doesn't have the catalyst, so.
No, other than Jensen is everywhere all the time, at once. I mean,
he's amazing.
Is there any podcast he hasn't been on yet?
Was he on Joe Rogan?
I don't know. Has he not been on Joe Rogan?
Maybe.
I don't know.
He does make himself available, which is nice.
Jason Kelsey?
They have a podcast, right?
Top rated.
He hasn't been on with them either?
I drink Campbell's soup because Jason Kelsey.
Oh, you do? You're
you're
easily influenced.
Of course.
Yeah.
Whatever I see last, I buy.
That's true. Whatever thought in your head was last is what you tell us.
Touche.
Queens, Philadelphia. There it is, right there, right? Mets beat Phillies.
In the ever-evolving landscape of technology and finance, Nvidia emerges as a formidable force, seamlessly interconnecting the worlds of gaming, artificial intelligence, and global markets. Over the years, Nvidia has not only led the charge in GPU innovation, particularly enhancing the gaming experience, but has also positioned itself as a pivotal player in the stock market. Recently, Nvidia's meteoric rise in market valuation has captivated both Wall Street and Main Street, leaving an indelible mark on the economic fabric worldwide. Imagine, if you will, a company whose market cap not only eclipses that of entire nations, such as Germany and Italy, combined but also reshapes the contours of future economic possibilities. Yes, you heard correctly, Nvidia's valuation has soared to an astonishing $3.5 trillion. This landmark achievement sets a new benchmark and invites intrigue from investors and tech enthusiasts alike. Indeed, the conversation around Nvidia's innovative prowess, characterized by its strategic AI pursuits, marks the dawn of a new era of investment opportunities. As we delve into this captivating saga, one must ponder the implications for investors and the broader market dynamics unfolding in its wake. Let's explore Nvidia's monumental journey and the profound impact it is etching into the annals of history. As the world of technology races forward at breakneck speed, Nvidia stands as a beacon of innovation, a titan whose technological advances not only chart the course of modern computing, but inspire imagination about future possibilities yet imagined. Welcome back, everyone, to Investocracy.
We also continue to monitor the market cap battle between Nvidia and Apple. Let's unpack the chip sector further with Bernstein semiconductor analyst Stacy Rascon. Stacy, it's great to see you. Nvidia doesn't report until late-ish November, but of course we have so many signals this week, right? With CapEx from some of the Mag 7. What do they need to show us to keep the Nvidia party going?
Look, they just need to show us that demand is there and strong and ideally growing, right? I mean, the big concern there's a number of concerns when anything runs this much, but I mean, the biggest concern has just been sustainability. Like the numbers have gotten so big so quickly, you just worry that it can't keep going. And like, as of right now, from everything we can see, it looks like it's still going. Like I get the nervousness. It clearly is not time to worry this year. I don't even think it's time to worry next year. We'll see as we go farther out. But I think at this point, they just need to show that demand is strong and growing and accelerating. And at least from where we're standing right now, everything we can see, things look pretty good, I think.
Observers humorously liken Nvidia's unprecedented market performance to owning an entire theme park, leaving other market players as mere spectators at a grand festival of exorbitant returns and spectacular achievements. Who would have imagined a single corporation rivaling and even surpassing the cumulative market cap of heavyweight European economies like Germany and Italy? Yet here we are witnessing a phenomenon that continues to capture and captivate the imagination. Nvidia's valuation surge at $3.5 trillion stands as a testament to a dynamic and transformative shift, echoing resoundingly through the hallowed halls of investment circles worldwide. Analysts and market watchers continue to be astounded by Nvidia's exceptional ability to harness the synergy between advancing technologies and market demand, capitalizing on every opportunity to expand and innovate. Torsten Slok, chief economist at Apollo, encapsulates the essence of this unrivaled success, highlighting that Nvidia has outshone 5 of the G7 countries in market value, a testament to the company's strategic acumen and unwavering commitment to pioneering innovation. This isn't merely a numbers game. It's a narrative of strategic brilliance that has attracted global attention. Notably, foreign investors, inspired by Nvidia's dazzling ascent, now hold approximately 18% of the U.S. stock market, illustrating the broader global appetite for a stake in Nvidia's promising future. Industry experts suggest that Nvidia's methodologies could become case studies in business schools worldwide as reflections of strategic expansions, mergers, and innovation-led growth. With a touch of humor, consider the observation: what do Germany and Italy share in common? Both have been outdone by Nvidia's breathtaking stock market magic trick, though only one of them is renowned for its delectable pasta. It's a whimsical analogy encapsulating Nvidia's remarkable stock market triumph. Moreover, Nvidia's ascent underscores an evolving narrative where traditional perceptions of market limits and capitalism's potential are being rewritten. Through Nvidia's lens, the world witnesses an unprecedented pace of technological evolution and market interconnectedness. But before we go any further, if you want to keep up with Nvidia's latest updates and keep up with the stock market's latest news, you can follow our Twitter account. We post multiple times daily about the biggest changes and catalysts in the market, so click the follow button if you don't want to miss the newest market updates.
Right. Stacey, I want to ask you about the story that Seema was just talking about, and that is the idea that Trump especially, but perhaps both candidates would crack down on manufacturing of chips inside of the U.S., but what we've seen from TSMC versus what we haven't seen from Intel. Sort of talk about that and what it would mean if TSMC wasn't able to ramp up here in the United States.
Look, I'll be honest. So I heard Trump's comments as well, and he was, what did he say on Rogan? He said he didn't like the CHIPS Act. He wanted to replace it with tariffs.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes, look, it's Trump, so Trump is gonna Trump, but it doesn't make any sense, right? The idea that like Taiwan has stolen, quote unquote, our chip making abilities is ridiculous. Like that is not true. And like not allowing foreign companies to make chips on U.S. soil, that is actually what we want. I mean, look, the whole like the idea that we are dependent on Taiwan and that is becoming increasingly an untenable situation is very true. And we want to get leading edge infrastructure built here in the U.S. And to be honest, from a policy standpoint, it really shouldn't be mattering all that much who is building it. I understand why Intel is sort of named the national champion, but if the goal is really to get as much leading edge capacity built here as quickly as possible, we should be giving the money to the folks who can build it. And as of right now, that entity is TSMC. And you're right, there was some news flow of the last week that suggested that their yield ramp in Arizona is actually exceeding targets and maybe even exceeding what they do in Taiwan. There are no other players, neither Intel nor Samsung, that can make claims that are anywhere near that. So if the goal is to build the capacity and get it here and installed and running in the US to de-risk the supply chain, that's happening right now. And so stopping that would be a problem, sure.
Statistical analysis provides a clearer perspective on Nvidia's growth trajectory. When comparing market caps, Japan stands at $6.4 trillion, while Nvidia confidently asserts itself over Canada at $3.3 trillion, the UK at $3.2 trillion, France at $3.1 trillion, Germany at $2.5 trillion, and Italy's more modest $800 billion. Beyond numeric comparisons, powerful trends in AI and advancements in semiconductor technology propel Nvidia into uncharted territories, realms once deemed unattainable. This sentiment resonates with financial analyst Beth Kindig's ambitious projection of Nvidia potentially reaching a $10 trillion valuation by 2025. In addition, Nvidia's advancements lay the groundwork for next-generation applications, from intelligent robotics that transform manufacturing to advanced AI models that redefine healthcare and beyond. As admiration for NVIDIA's achievements reverberates across industries, it's crucial to recognize the ripple effects on exchange-traded funds intricately linked to NVIDIA's performance. With an outstanding 236% return over the past year, NVIDIA not only shapes portfolios but also redefines investor paradigms and forecasts. Its role as a linchpin in technological advancements is cemented, heralding a transformative era filled with boundless possibility and promise. NVIDIA's influence reaches beyond mere stock valuation. It spurs an entire industry's worth of innovation, encouraging startups and established companies alike to aim for new heights inspired by the promise of unbounded innovation. But before going any further, if you made it this far into the video, thank you. These videos take a lot of effort and time to make, so if you enjoyed them, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This goes a long way in helping us grow. That said, back to the video.
Right, last quarter, though, we saw the market a little bit skittish, not a little, very skittish, actually, around their spending plans. CapEx continues to go up as they build out artificial intelligence infrastructure. What do investors want to see this quarter?
Investors want to see less spending on CapEx, but the challenge is they can't stop. And so we had about $106.2 billion in CapEx spending in the first half of the year, and we're expecting another $60 billion in Q3, taking out the year to $231 billion in CapEx spending. And that means the big winner is going to be Nvidia, the big winner is going to be energy companies on the other end. However, given that it's so hard to compete on AI and cloud, this is really what gives them the advantage. That's why there's only a few winners in this play. And so what investors are hoping for is slower CapEx spending and, of course, more returns on the AI and more returns on the cloud side.
Witnessing NVIDIA reach such staggering heights is not just inspiring. It is a unique moment of reflection on the power of innovation and foresight. For potential investors, NVIDIA's current market trajectory offers a tidal wave of opportunities, underscoring its inherent market dominance and strategic forward-thinking. While patience and foresight have rewarded those involved in NVIDIA's journey thus far, the future forecasts even more extraordinary growth. As AI undergoes explosive expansion, promising sectors of technological innovation align in harmony, suggesting that NVIDIA is merely at the beginning of its transformative ascent. Furthermore, NVIDIA's story is as much about potential as it is about reality, a narrative of relentless pursuit of knowledge, innovation, and market opportunity. The legacy NVIDIA builds today is a tapestry of possibility, interwoven with the threads of ambition and visionary leadership. Investing in NVIDIA transcends mere stakeholding in a company. It is an intrinsic investment in a sweeping technological revolution. This revolution is poised to transform industries spanning gaming to global data centers. As you consider your investment strategies, contemplate the profound question: what does NVIDIA's ascent mean for your portfolio, and can you afford to overlook this generational shift? The conversation NVIDIA incites is not one of idle speculation, but rather an invitation for deliberate contemplation. Together, investors and enthusiasts embark on defining the next chapter in a revolutionary market narrative filled with opportunities yet to be realized. May we all find solace and excitement in knowing that we are witnessing history in the making as NVIDIA continues to carve its path through the modern economic landscape, ushering in an age of technology-driven transformations. See you there.